So what do you do when your dad brings ripe plantains? You make fried plantains. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys, to Toned Caribbean Body, and in today's session I am so excited to be sharing with you guys my recipe for fried plantains. Now, fried plantains, it's not very complicated, but the reason why I'm doing today's video is because it's my second love. For those of you who know me personally, cocoa tea is my first love, and I'm just linking the video on this side at the end of today's session. But the second love is fried plantain. So there is no way that I can be doing videos on Toned Caribbean Body and not include fried plantains in the mix. Now, fried plantains is something that's very common in the Caribbean, if not the African diaspora altogether. Every home, I think every meal has fried plantains in some form or fashion, in some way. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm certain that you would have seen so many versions of fried plantains, but at the end of the day, what it all boils down to, it's a treat, a Caribbean treat. Enjoy today's video, guys, and if you have ever made or fried plantains, hit us up in the comments down below. Okay, so let's get this party started. All you will need is some ripe plantains and coconut oil, just 2 ingredients. Now, you don't have to feel guilty about eating fried plantains. Using coconut oil as the oil of choice to fry them will help to take away some of the guilt of enjoying this meal or this dish. While you're heating up your coconut oil over a medium flame, get your ripe plantains ready by simply cutting off the ends of the plantain, cutting them in half so that they're easier to manage, and then you can cut them either lengthways or crossways depending on your preference. I use them either way. Now, it's important to note that the plantain should be firm to the touch when you're ready for frying. A plantain that is too soft is better served mashed or served in a porridge used to make porridge, because it's too soft for frying. It will just get all mushy in the frying pan. Additionally, the riper the plantain, the sweeter the end result will be. Also, a very ripe plantain will be crispy around the edges, so you enjoy a nice crispy fried plantain at the same time. So it's like a double treat. So here I'm cutting it in crossways. In the first part of the video, it's lengthways. So it all depends on your preference. Now, you don't have to throw out your plantain skins. Just simply soak them in some water, and after 2 days, use that water to fertilize your plants. Now, as the oil heats up, it's time to add your plantain slices. Add them carefully, because here is where you can get burnt quite easily. I have many scars from getting burnt from frying plantains, but hey, it has been worth it. Fill the pan up as much as possible with the plantains, leaving no room for anything else. And as one side gets brown enough, then you just simply turn over on the other side to complete the frying process on the other side of the plantains. Get your greaseproof paper ready to soak up the excess oil so that the plantain is well dried when it's time to eat. Here you have it, guys, the plantains cut crossways, ready to serve. I think fried plantain pretty much goes with anything except for soup. What have you not eaten fried plantains with? Now, plantains are so versatile that they can pretty much be used in any form, whether it's flour or mashed or fried, boiled, and eaten with other provisions. Because it's so nutritious, people are finding different ways to include it in their diet. So regardless of the stage of ripeness that plantains are at, you can start using them from the time they're green to the time that they're fully ripe. Just ensure that they are a part of your diet, and of course with everything else, don't use in abundance, just use them moderately as part of your daily nutritional needs. And by the way, if you're interested in learning how to make plantain flour from half-ripe plantains, click on the link down below. It will take you to my other video on how to make plantain flour at home from scratch. And here you have it, guys, fried plantains that is fit for a king. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.